Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can create new labels for your issues and items on GitHub in 2026. So let us dive into this. So guys, as you probably know, you are given the opportunity to create and to assign topic or issue specific labels to your issues in GitHub. Let me show you how to do that, how to create a completely new one, custom one. So head over to GitHub, access your repository and navigate to issues. Next, select an issue. And after that, take a look at that list here to the right. So you will see the currently assigned labels, which in this case here is none for that issue. I would like to create a completely new label. To do that, click into that gear icon and you will see the list of already created applicable labels listed below as suggestions. And you can create a completely new one by selecting this option at the bottom, Added Labels. Here, click into that green New Label button and give it a name. Like, for instance, I don't know, under Review. If you and your team members are looking at the given issue and are reviewing it, describe it below, currently under review by team, something like that, and you may assign a color. And you can go, for example, with that random color here, or you click into the given color and choose one of these default colors. So let me go with pink, for example. Click into Create Label, and now your label has been created here at the top under Review. And that's how it works. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.